I know you love Detroit. There's nothing against Detroit, but did you have a team in mind that you wanted to play for coming out of college?
Not at all, actually, bro. Now, whenever the lottery was happening, and it started cutting down. Its final three is Cleveland, Houston, and Detroit. I'm like, don't let me go to Cleveland.
I mean, Cleveland and Detroit. I mean, what's the difference?
I don't know if it was the red and blue. I don't know if it was the hit like Isaiah Thomas.
Yeah, they got a lot
I
of
don't know.
good,
It
nice
was just
history.
a history for it.
Yeah,
I was a big Bron fan growing up. You know what I'm saying? But like, I'm not trying to go to Cleveland. Bro.
Yeah.
And then it's Houston. I'm from. But in my head, back in my head, I'm like, that might get tricky. People don't want to go to Stillwater. People want to go to Houston.
you're right.
You know
You're
what I'm
right.
saying?
You're right.
It was just different. Like, and I could feel it even beforehand. Everybody like Houston.
Yeah.
And something about me was just like,
Yeah. It's good to go get away, lock in, focus on the game, and
I wouldn't have been mad, but
yeah, obviously.
I was so happy to go to Detroit, bro.